Welcome everyone. Today I'm making a vegan burrito bowl because I had a few veggies sitting in the fridge, and these are the ingredients that I used. I've included some substitutions to consider when you're making your bowl. And I added very basic instructions on the steps that I took to make this on the next page. Pretty much cooking your rice and then just preparing the ingredients that you're going to be adding to your bowl. Trying to make them similar in size. So I started with the rice. 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, bring to a boil. And it usually takes me about 20 to 25 minutes. When I checked my rice at about the 4-minute mark, the rice still wasn't ready, so I covered it up and placed it back to simmer. See, there's still water left. You don't want that. And you want to watch it very carefully because you can burn the bottom. In the meantime, I added olive oil to my iron cast skillet and tossed in my mushrooms and carrots. The carrots are pretty small, so they cooked in about the same amount of time since mushrooms are pretty soft and easy to cook, easy to saute, excuse me. Then I only seasoned with salt and pepper, but I know I've seen some people season with cayenne pepper, chili pepper, hot pepper flakes. This is all I had on hand. I think sriracha was something else that someone used. And I checked my rice again, and this time it had cooked through, so I turned it off. And now it's time to prepare the bowls. I started with the base, so 2 spoonfuls of rice at the base of the burrito bowl. And you can use other rice. You can use brown rice, wild rice. I believe cauliflower rice is something else that I saw. Just something that you enjoy. And then start adding your toppings. I had corn left over, so that's what I used. I had corn and black beans and the carrots. So I'm adding the black beans. And then I finished it off with the sauteed mushrooms and the carrots, and I had to be that's really all I had, and I wanted this made 3 bowls, so I didn't put a lot. I wish I would have. And then I topped it off with some green onion and cilantro. But other ingredients you can use are broccoli, sweet potato, edamame, bell pepper, whatever it is that you have on hand. And if you're not vegan or vegetarian, you can add sour cream and shredded cheese to top off your bowl. And I thought this was a picture, but it turns out to be video, so I apologize that I spent so much time on this video, this clip that you're seeing. And here are some pictures of the end product. And that's my version of burrito bowl using my leftovers. Here I added some jalapeno slices and avocado slices. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please watch my other video on walnut biscuits. They're so good. And thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and leave any comments or suggestions down below. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.